The stock of the day is brought to you by IG, Australia's #1 CFD provider. Trade over 17,000 markets with extended trading hours on key US shares and competitive spreads, all on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.
And our stock of the day is Treasury Wine Estate, holding its AGM today and has just withdrawn its earnings guidance over the first quarter of FY26. The company said shipments to China and the United States were negatively affected by depletion trends and distribution disruptions. As a result, Treasury is saying it's no longer appropriate to retain its Chinese exporter Penfold guidance of low to mid double-digit EBITS growth for FY26. Its modest earnings growth for Treasury Americas has also been withdrawn due to ongoing negotiations with a local distributor. That said, though, the share price is up 3% now.
Yeah, I'm not enthused about the company, like the wine as well. But there's an added problem that they've got too. Since these coravins have been invented where you can tap out one glass at a time without the wine going off and you can keep it for months, you go to a restaurant now and you see all sorts of people buying wine by the glass. Each table used to buy a bottle. Now they have between 2 tables or 3 tables a bottle. And at home, I would look at all these nice wines and think, oh, I don't want to open that. I'll have to wait until there's more of us around so that we can really enjoy drinking it.
Goodness,
and then occasionally,
difficult decisions, Hal.
I know.
yeah, and then occasionally I would open a really good bottle and then feel upset that I wasted half of it. Now I have one glass. So the one bottle lasts me half a dozen times, maybe even a little bit more than half a dozen times of when we're going to have that meal. Now, that's not good for Treasury Wine Estates. So A, there's less drinking. B, there's less opening of so many bottles because you can use the same bottle for a lot longer. It's always had return on equity less than 10%, which means it's never passed our filters in Team Invest anyway. So while I'm pretty sure most of our Team Invest members, in fact, one year it did pass our filters, sorry. Most Team Invest members probably enjoy the product, but don't own the shares and would be highly unlikely to own the shares. And I'm in the same category. I hope they do well and produce good wine.
Keep the wines coming.
But I don't want to own the shares.
All right, that's a double avoid then. Bottom line, don't touch the wine if you're an investor. That's our stock of the day, Treasury Wine Estate.
The stock of the day was brought to you by IG. Trade over 12,000 shares and ETFs, including major tech giants with extended hours on an award-winning platform. Get started at IG.com.